Welcome to our channel Engineer Choice Tutor. In today's lecture, we are going to see the difference between class not found exception versus no class def found error. Okay, what is the difference between these two things? That is class not found exception and no class def found error. So, for hard-coded class names at runtime, if the corresponding .class file is not available, then we will get the runtime error, that is no class def found error, okay, which is unchecked exception. Is it clear? For example, suppose in my code it is written that demo d is equal to new demo, but actually what happens at the runtime? At the runtime, JVM is not able to find the .class file, that is demo.class file. So actually what happens? Exception rise. What is that exception? No class def found error. Okay, no class def found error, that is demo. So basically it is an unchecked exception. Now, second C. For dynamically provided class names at runtime, if the corresponding .class file is not available, then we will get the runtime exception, that is class not found exception, which is checked exception. This is the second one. Actually what happened? I don't want to hard code the class name. I want to pass my class name at the runtime, and I want that I get the object at the runtime only. Okay, I want to pass the class name at the runtime. So how you can do this? Simple. Object 2 is equal to class.forName args of 0 for loading the class dot new instance method for creating the object of that class at dynamic runtime. Okay, dynamically at runtime. Okay, you know about new instance method. New instance method is present in java.lang package. We can use this method to create object if we don't know the class name at the beginning, and it is available dynamically at runtime. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now at the runtime I pass the class name. So java test, my class name is student class. I want the object of the student class dynamically at the runtime. So I pass student. Student, where it goes, arg of 0. Args 0. Student go there. Okay. So actually what happens if at the runtime, if student dot class file is not available, okay, if at the runtime this student dot class file is not available, then we will get what? Then we will get the runtime exception, that is class not found exception student. Okay, we can't find the student dot class file, that's why the exception rise, that is class not found exception. So this is the basic difference, but more elaborative way I have to talk. So come to the next slide, please. So in Java, both class not found exception and no class found def error occurs when a particular class is not found at runtime. Okay, both the errors occurred, both the exception occurs when a particular class is not found at runtime. So class not found exception is an exception which occurs when you try to load a class at runtime using class.forName or load class methods, and mentioned class are not found in the class path. Okay, this is the scenario. Okay, so it is what? It is an exception. It is of type java.lang.exception. It is thrown by the application itself. It is thrown by the method like class.forName, load class, and find system class. Okay, this is about the class not found exception. And on the other hand, no def found error, okay, is an error which occurs when a particular class is present at compile time. Note this point. No class def found error is an error which occurs when a particular class is not present, okay, during the runtime, but it is present at the compile time, but during the runtime, at the runtime it is missing, so it leads to an error which is nothing but no class def found error. So it is an error, it is of type java.lang.error. It is thrown by the Java runtime system. So this is all about what? No class def found error and class not found exception. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.